Here we have a disc that is designed to move freely along the rail, with its movement limited by stoppers on either end. What mate do we use to define this? Let's find out. Hey guys, Solidworks here. So to define the motion of this disc, we need to use an advanced mate called the width mate. First, let's control select the 4 faces that are involved. Click on the mate icon. At this point, Solidworks will immediately bring up the width mate feature. The width selections and the tab selections have been automatically populated. Next, you want to go to the constraints drop-down menu and select the free option. Click OK and exit. Now the disc is free to move within the confines of the stoppers. If I drag it all the way to one of the stopper, Solidworks will recognize that as a stopping face and limits the movement. Alright, that's all for this video. Hope to see you in the next one.